Yes, okay. Today we are going to look at the production of X-rays, which are prepared in a collage tube. And in this tube, which is highly evacuated, we are having a tungsten filament, which is the cathode. And opposite to the cathode, we are having a target, which is the anode. The tube is kept at a steady pressure and no air is allowed inside. Then we are having a low tension battery which is going to supply current to the filament, hence emitting electrons. Now those are the electrons, and above the filament we surround it with a cylinder, and this cylinder is at a high negative potential, leading to the direction of these electrons to a certain point at the tangent. And now this tangent is the anode, and this tangent is made up of a copper block which is going to absorb most of the kinetic energy of the electrons into heat energy. Hence, the remaining part of the kinetic energy will be converted into X-rays, and a cooling system will be put to cool this high heat energy like that. Now, the target is tilted at an angle of 45, hence the X-rays are produced perpendicular. The high tension potential can help you increase the penetration power of these electrons if you increase it, because it will accelerate them at a high speed. In case you want to increase the intensity of these rays, what you do is to increase the current through the filament. This will increase the number of electrons produced per second, and if the number of electrons increases, the intensity will increase like that. We are looking at X-rays today. They are having uses and the dangers and also precautions over which we can provide these dangers. Let us look at the uses of these X-rays. They are having medical uses, such as to investigate the broken bones and in the body, to cure cancer, to detect tuberculosis in the lungs, to diagnose stomach ulcers, to detect complicated organs in the body. Also, like that. Also, we are having industrial uses, such as to detect cracks in welded joints, to study the structure of crystals, to detect defects in paints. Those are the people who are using these X-rays. More so, these X-rays are having dangers if you're looking at it, because they're having a short wavelength and a high frequency from the spectrum. The dangers include: they destroy living cells, they damage blood cells and eyesight, they cause genetic changes, which you can call mutation, and they also cause skin burns. Those are the X-rays. They affect photographic plates, just like you see. More so, we have safety precautions taken when using these X-rays. 1. Avoid unnecessary exposure to these X-rays. They will cause to you a lot of damage, just like that person is showing you. The X-rays apparatus should be shielded using thick lid. The person should wear protective clothing made of thick lid, both the other person using and the victim or the patient. Then another, keep large distance between X-ray source and people. And another one, soft X-rays should always be used on human tissues. Please, please, please make sure you keep a very safe distance away from these rays. They are useful, but again, they are super dangerous. When we do all the above, we can avoid the dangers that are coming from these rays. Thank you so much.